welcome back to the shop. I just recently purchased this stuff from ROCKLER, the top fits, a router lip, safety kit, and a power stop switch. Never actually had a real router cable before, so now I have one. Let me show you what I did with this stuff. Alright, this is what I did with it. This is the basic top you get from ROCKLER. Pretty well made. I mounted it on top of this utility cart that I have had for a long time. It's been many things. Originally it had a TV on it with a game system on it. I mounted the switch over here. It's very convenient. And there she is. I had to cut a hole in the bottom of the cabinet for the router. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a Craftsman router, fit perfectly. I've used it one time already and it works great. Oh yeah, and I got a stop on it too, flip stop. Sorry to make you dizzy. I'm not real good at this filming stuff yet. Well, but that's it. That's my latest addition to my shop. Hope my camera work didn't make you sick. I hope you get a lot of use out of this. I'm working on a set of cabinets for my bathroom right now. And plan on putting this to work, making some raised panels for it. There'll be a separate video on that when I get it done. Thanks for coming. Catch you next time.